Welcome back to Auto, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews and analysis. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Yaris, a car that has continued to evolve while maintaining its reputation for reliability, efficiency, and smart design. In this video, we'll focus entirely on the Yaris: exterior, interior, history, price, and features, giving you a complete breakdown of what makes this model stand out. Let's get started. The 2025 Toyota Yaris arrives with a bold, modern look that blends sportiness with urban practicality. Toyota has refined its exterior with sleeker lines, a more aerodynamic shape, and an aggressive front grille that enhances its presence on the road. The front fascia is sharper, featuring slim LED headlights that extend seamlessly into the sculpted hood, giving the Yaris a dynamic and futuristic appearance. Along the sides, the Yaris maintains its compact proportions but now features more pronounced character lines that add a sense of movement even when the car is stationary. Depending on the trim level, you'll find stylish 16-inch or 17-inch alloy wheels that complement the car's sporty stance. The roofline is slightly lower, contributing to a more aerodynamic profile, while the rear sports a redesigned bumper, sleeker taillights, and a subtle spoiler. Overall, the 2025 Yaris strikes the perfect balance between practicality and a premium, eye-catching design. Step inside, and the 2025 Yaris welcomes you with a refined cabin that emphasizes comfort and technology. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, featuring a new digital instrument cluster that provides crisp, customizable displays for speed, fuel efficiency, and navigation. At the center of the dashboard is a floating 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Toyota has upgraded the materials inside the Yaris, offering soft touch surfaces, high-quality fabric or synthetic leather upholstery, and a more premium feel across all trims. The redesigned seats offer improved ergonomics and additional lumbar support, making long drives more comfortable. Ambient lighting has been introduced in higher trims, creating a more inviting atmosphere. Storage solutions remain practical, with ample cup holders, a spacious glove box, and a cleverly designed center console. Despite its compact size, the Yaris maximizes interior space with smart packaging, providing generous legroom for front passengers and adequate space for those in the rear. The 2025 model also features a larger cargo area, making it even more versatile for everyday use. Under the hood, the 2025 Yaris is expected to offer a refined 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine, delivering an efficient yet responsive driving experience. Toyota's hybrid variant remains a key highlight, providing excellent fuel economy while maintaining a peppy performance in urban settings. The car's lightweight construction and improved suspension tuning contribute to a smoother, more agile ride. Advanced safety features come standard, including Toyota Safety Sense, which offers adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system in higher trims. These features ensure the Yaris remains one of the safest options in the compact car segment. The Yaris has been a staple in Toyota's lineup since its introduction in the late 1990s, evolving from a basic subcompact to a refined, tech-savvy hatchback. Over the years, it has gained a loyal following thanks to its durability, affordability, and fuel efficiency. The 2025 model continues this tradition while integrating modern innovations. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Yaris is expected to start around $18,000 for the base model, with higher trims and hybrid options pushing the price closer to $25,000. This makes it a competitive choice for those looking for an affordable, stylish, and tech-packed compact car. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Yaris. With its striking exterior, upgraded interior, efficient performance, and impressive features, it remains a top contender in the compact car market. What do you think of the new Yaris? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.